All right, guys, we just flipped this gorgeous yellow rat snake under like 8 pieces of plywood. We flipped all the way at the very bottom. He was just sitting in the sand. Dude, this was one of my other super big targets for this trip, and I was not expecting at all to find one here. And like, just like that, it happens. That is just a beautiful snake, dude. Eastern or yellow rat snake under like 8 pieces of plywood. That is a gorgeous snake, dude. Super cool.